Hello Year 2. I thought that this week we'd do some recapping because we've come to the end of our topic on statistics, on pictograms and block diagrams. So I thought we'd have a few days just recapping some things that we did last term. So we're going to look at related facts this morning, but first of all we have got a start. So you've got three numbers here. You've got 6, 3 and 8. So what I want you to do on a piece of paper or on your sheet that you've got, I want you to see how many 2-digit numbers you can make with these cards. So remember, 2-digit numbers are numbers with 2 digits. You can only use the cards once, so you can't have 66 or 33 or 88. You've got to mix them up. And there's a little clue, there are 6. Now have a go. In a minute I'm going to tell you what the 6 2-digit numbers are, so just pause the video whilst you have a go at doing that. Right, how did you get on? So these are the 6 2-digit numbers that you should have found. 63, 68, 36, 38, and 86, and 83. So if you got all 6 of those, you are super smart this morning. You are on fire, especially seeing as though it's Monday. So let's have a think about related facts. So here is 2 part-whole diagrams. So remember, the circle at the top is the whole, the total amount, and the 2 circles at the bottom are the parts. So I know that the whole is 9. One of the parts is 6. So what's the other part going to be? So 6 add something makes 9. Who can work it out? 6 add something makes 9. So we could count on from 6 till we get to 9. So we can go 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've counted on 3. Have you done that? So 6 add 3 makes 9. Now, let's have a look at this other part whole. Now, I know that the answer is 90. The total is 90. One of the parts is 30. And what's the other part? Can we look at the other part whole on the left to give us a clue? I think we can, because all we've done is we've added a 0 on, haven't we? So what do you think is the missing part? Can you shout it out? Yes, it's 60. Well done. So these are what we call related facts. If we know that 6 add 3 equals 9, then we know that 60 add 30 equals 90. We'd also could think that, do we know what 600 add 300 is? What would that be? So that's another related fact. It would be 900, wouldn't it? Let's look at one more. So here we've got 10 as the whole, the total, and then we've got 7 add something, the 2 parts, 7 and something. Now this is a number bond to 10, and we're really, really good at number bonds to 10. So 7 add something is 10. What is the missing part? Shout it out. Yes, well done, it's 3. 7 add 3 is 10. So because we know that, we can work out what the next one is. 100. The total, the whole is 100. One of the parts is 30. So what is the other part going to be? And if we look over onto the left, it gives us a clue. Shout it out. Yes, it's 70. 70 add 30 is 100. So this is a little bit different. This is written now, so it's a little bit harder. So it says, if I know 6 add 2 equals 8, then I know 60 add 20 equals, it's a related fact, 80. Well done. If I know 4 add 5 equals 9, then I know 40 add 50 equals, the 9 over there gives us a clue. Can you work it out? You could count in tens from 40 up until 50, or 50 up until 40 if you're struggling, but it gives you a clue. It's 90. Well done. Brilliant. Now, this is an extra thing. You haven't got this on your sheet, but sometimes we see the answer first, don't we? We try and catch you out. So the answer comes first, and then we get the sum. But remember, the word equals means the same as. They need to balance. So 6 is the same as 10 take away 4. Okay. 5 is the same as 10 take away 5. Now, there's a bit of a pattern going on here, if you can see. I've started with 6 and then I've gone to 5. I wonder if you can carry on, have a go at finishing off the sums on a piece of paper. I'm going to show you the answers in a minute. So you could have a go at 4 equals 10 take away something. Can you work it out? Have a go. Pause the video while you have a go at doing the ones on the left. Right, did you work it out? So can you see the pattern? 10 take away 4, 10 take away 5, 10 take away 6, 10 take away 7, and so on. So if you can work those out, and you were a bit confused with the ones on the right, you could pause the video again and see if you can work out the ones on the right. So again, 60 is the same as, is equal to 100 take away 40. See if you can work it out. Did you get them right? Did you work them out? Was the one at the bottom a bit tricky? 100 take away 100 is the same as 0 is equal to 0. Well done, they were tricky, they were. So today, for your main maths work that you're going to be doing, some of you have got different work. So some of you have got part wholes, which is a little bit easier for you to work out. And some of you have got more written work that you've got to read carefully. So have a go and see if you can solve each problem. Now, some of you have also got a challenge. I've given you 4 challenges. So choose one, or if you're feeling super smart this morning, maybe you could choose all 4. I know lots of you could do all 4. I think if you send me a photo of all 4 of these challenges, I'm going to have to give you 5 dojos for each one that you've done. And lastly, I've given you a game to do. You need a dice and 2 coloured pens. You can find a dice online that will roll for you. So you're going to take it in turns with your helper to choose a 2-digit number from the grid, roll the dice and add the number on the dice to your 2-digit number. If you get it right, you colour in the number on the grid. The winner is the first person to colour in 6 squares, and you can use a number line or a ruler to help you. So have a fun time with that game.